Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775. This beautiful home in Gregg's Millwith, an open concept living floor plan, is a must-see. A welcoming entrance provided by the expansive foyer opens to the formal dining room, kitchen and living room. The kitchen features custom madecabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, travertine backsplash, recessed lighting and an iPod/iPad MP3 docking station. The living room features gas fireplace, open tokitchen and breakfast area. On the main floor you have a guest room and full bath. Upstairs you will find the master, which includes an enormous sitting area with electric fireplace, 3 additional bedrooms, 1 bedroom with its own bathroom, and laundry room. The master bath features ceramictile flooring, granite countertops with double vanities, garden tub, walk-in shower, and an impressive walk-in closet. 5th bedroom could be used as a bonus room or rec room. It has its own closet and walk-up attic access with plenty of extra storage. Home qualifies for used